Stop letting trash sit in your garage. Flip it for profit instead. You need to watch this if you want side income with small startup cash. Here's how furniture flipping actually pays. Before, worn wood, scratch paint, and think junk. After, a clean line, fresh finish, a listing that gets DMs. That's the basic flip formula. Buy low, fix smart, sell high. Start by sourcing. Thrift stores, estate sales, curb alerts. Facebook Marketplace are gold mines. Rule of thumb, pay under 30% of your expected resale price. Typical flips take 2 to 10 hours and $2,150 in materials. Average resale? Many hobby flippers make $100, $500 per piece. Skilled flippers pull $1,000 pluses on statement items. Simple fixes, mean or big returns. Sanding new hardware, a quality paint job, reupholstering a chair can multiply value. Time is money. Batch similar projects to cut setup time and maximize hourly profit. Don't ignore costs. Tools, gas listing fees, and time add up. Factor in 20-30% for overhead and aim for at least 50% gross margin. Protect yourself, test structural soundness, and disclose imperfections to avoid returns. Quick tips. Learn trending styles. Photograph in natural light. Write clear titles, price with room to negotiate. Start small, reinvest profits, and scale from hobby to side business. Ready to flip your first piece?